In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vlookup in Smartsheet. Vlookup is a powerful way to pull matching information from one place into another, and in Smartsheet, it works great across sheets. Let's walk through it together so you not only complete the formula, but understand what each part does. Start by heading to the Smartsheet homepage and open the sheet where you want the result to appear. This is your destination sheet, the place that will display the value you're looking up. Click into an empty cell where you want the answer to land. That puts the focus in the right spot so the formula knows where to calculate. Begin typing your formula with lookup. This tells Smartsheet you want to look up a value. Next, click the cell that contains the item you want to match. Here it's the cell with apples. That clicked cell becomes your lookup value. After that, type a comma to move to the next part of the formula. Now we'll tell Smartsheet where to search for that value. Choose Reference, another sheet so you can point to data that lives elsewhere. In the reference window, pick the appropriate project or location, then open the sheet that holds your source data. With the sheet open, drag to select the full range that includes two critical things: the column with your lookup values on the left, and the column that contains the result you want to return. In Vlookup, the first column of your selected range must contain the values you want to match, so be sure your selection starts there. When your range is highlighted, click Insert Reference to bring that range back into your formula. Back in the destination sheet, finish the formula by typing 1 and then press Enter. The 1 tells Vlookup to return data from the first column of the range you selected. If your desired result is in a different column, you would change that number to 2, 3, and so on. The 0 means exact match, which ensures you only get a result when the lookup value matches perfectly. This avoids surprises that can come from approximate matches. If the result looks off or you see an error, double-check that the lookup value exactly matches an entry in the first column of your referenced range and confirm there are no extra spaces or mismatched spellings. Also ensure you included all necessary columns in your selected range. And that's it. You've used Vlookup in Smartsheet to pull data from another sheet with an exact match using a clean cross-sheet reference.